तो आज के सेशन का नाम है ब्रेक द बायस। हम लोग जीटो बैंगलोर में बहुत फ़न की चीज़ें करते हैं, बहुत आउटिंग्स करते हैं, जीटो कनेक्ट करते हैं, लेकिन आज का प्रोग्राम जो है उसका नाम है विमेनप्रेन्योर। इसमें हम बात करेंगे कि औरतों को कैसे आगे बढ़ना है, अपना बिजनेस करना है, जॉब्स में जाना है, अगर किसी ने करियर ब्रेक लिया है तो कैसे वो वापस करियर अपना बिल्ड कर सकती है। तो आज का सेशन उसके बारे में होने वाला है। स्टार्टिंग द पैनल डिस्कशन, हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन होगा रूपा जी और श्रुति जी को। लोग पहले सोचते थे कि सिर्फ एक लॉयर बन सकते हैं, इंजीनियर बन सकते हैं या डॉक्टर बन सकते हैं, लेकिन इन दोनों ने बहुत अनकन्वेंशनल अपना करियर चूज़ किया है। श्रुति इज़ एन आरजे and she is a chartered accountant, but she went on to become an author and very unconventional careers. So what would you like to tell our audience about picking up unconventional careers, and is it a good choice to make?
First of all, I had no clue that I would become an RJ. It just happened by chance. People who heard me on radio, I generally say mistake became very, very wrong, which is grammatically incorrect, by the way. Please do not use it anywhere. So I just happened to attend an interview, they happened to give me the job, and they happened to say, I have bad news and I'm hired. That's what happened with my life. So I always tell people there are three things. Everybody over here. The first one is the job you do, which is your bread and butter. Dina bill katta idira, dud bartidya, that's it. Kai kave kailasa. Kaam aa raha hai, paisa bhar rahe ho bills ke liye, bas. That is the first one. The second one is your passion. What do you actually like to do? Do you want to draw? Do you want to paint? Do you want to dance? Do you want to sing? Do you want to do nothing? Even that's also a passion, by the way. Doing nothing is a luxury for me. I never get to do nothing. So, second thing is you do what your passion is. And the third thing is your calling. As in Jito is a calling. You're doing service to people. That is a calling. So if you have these three things figured out in your life, doesn't really matter if you're a doctor or an engineer, you will still get to be an RJ or a sports person or a bartender for people who like to drink over here. You know, you get to choose. So these three elements are very important. So for me, RJing is my calling more than anything else.
Excellent. As far as I'm concerned, I think yes, for me being a chartered accountant was just one of those things which I did because I didn't have anything else to do. But afterwards, when I decided to become an entrepreneur, I realized that my first boss told me one very important thing. रूपा, तुम्हारी सबसे बड़ी शक्ति ये है कि तुम्हें जॉब की ज़रूरत नहीं है। तुम इसलिए काम करती हो क्योंकि तुम चाहती हो। तो तुम जो भी ज़िंदगी में करो वो तुम चाहो और करो। तो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के लिए एक मौका मिला, एक बहुत अच्छा सा अपॉर्चुनिटी दिखा, तो मैं बन गई एंटरप्रेन्योर। ऐसे सोच समझ के शायद नहीं किया था, लेकिन एक पैशन सा बन गया और बन गई मैं एंटरप्रेन्योर। बहुत कुछ सीखा और इंसानों के बारे में बहुत कुछ सीखा। So that's how I started my journey.
Thank you, Rupa ji. Thank you, Shruti. Very interesting answers. There are many people in the audience. हमारे मारवाड़ी समाज की जो औरतें हैं, I feel that they are the most smartest women in any community, right? You all are so educated. If you see, most of the girls are first rankers. हमारे भाई को इतने मार्क्स नहीं मिलते, बट हमारी बहनों को बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स मिलते हैं। बट क्या होता है, शादी के बाद बच्चे हो जाते हैं, फैमिली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ आ जाती है, तो हम लोग ना तो बिजनेस परस्यू करते हैं ना करियर। यहाँ पे वी हैव राधिका एंड वी हैव मधुरा. दे हैव एन अमेजिंग प्लेटफॉर्म. दे एनकरेज वुमेन टू कम बैक इन टू वर्क. दे एनकरेज वुमेन टू मीट अदर वुमेन. मेंटरशिप एक प्लेटफॉर्म देते हैं जहाँ पे आप लोगों को कैसे अपनी सेकेंड इनिंग स्टार्ट करनी है, ये राधिका और मधुरा जी अपने डे लाइफ में करते हैं. तो राधिका एंड मधुरा, प्लीज़ टॉक अ लिटिल मोर अबाउट दीज प्लेटफॉर्म्स एंड एनकरेज अ वुमेन आउट हियर, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोगों को अभी करना है बहुत कुछ, बट उनको पता ही नहीं है कि हम वो पहली शुरुआत कहाँ से करें. हाउ डू दे गेट टू दैट पॉइंट?
Thank you for the question, Monica. So Aspire for Her is a platform which I started just 2 years ago on Women's Day 2020. And there's a reason behind this. So, I was looking at women around, just like Monica said, we see the best and the brightest and the smartest girls in India. And I was also looking at data. And I was seeing that in terms of economic empowerment, India is at the bottom. India is 6th from the bottom in a list of 156 countries. And I felt really bad. And I realized that the percentage of women in the workforce, जो महिलाएं काम कर रही है, economy में contribute कर रही है, वो number has been declining for the past 15 years. 1 साल या 2 साल नहीं, 15 साल से वो number decline कर रहे हैं. तो I thought ये तो बहुत बड़ा problem है क्योंकि our country can be much bigger. And McKinsey says this can be a $1 trillion opportunity for India. और ये सोच के मुझे लगा कि somebody needs to do something about this problem. And I thought that somebody could be me. That is why Aspire for Her was born on Women's Day in 2020. Thank you. आज हमारे पास 1.5 लाख members है across 60 different countries. हमारे पास 150 mentors है और करीबन 50 companies है जो कि चाहते हैं they want more diversity in their workforce, they want more women to come and work, they want India to prosper economically. And they have not seen this kind of energy that we are seeing in this room. So we need many more Jitos in India, and we aspire for that, to recreate this energy, this passion, this emotion, this movement that organizations like Jito are bringing about to the rest of the country. So thank you for doing what you're doing.
No, as Madhura said, thank you for the question. I'll start by giving 2 examples very close to home of women who I think have really changed their lives around after many years of taking a break. पहली जो मेरी नानी है वो एक्चुअली कर्नाटका से ही है. She had her first 2 children, stopped working, 10 years later had my mother. And मेरी मम्मी के जन्म के बाद उनको लगा कि मुझे और पढ़ना है. And उनका तब I think class 12 तक पढ़ाई हुआ था. And after having my mother, she was about 30 years old. My Nana ji encouraged her to go back into studying, and she ended up doing an MA in math of all things. Yeah. So this is the 1950s and 60s. So one of the most like literate women in that sense of that age, जिनका mathematics में post degree, master's degree था उस time पे. The second in far more recent years, she's actually also Marwari, my mother-in-law. She's a doctor by training, but again got married young, had her children young, and stopped working. And many years later, after both her sons went off to college, they encouraged her, saying, now we're out of your hair, when you don't have to run after us all day long, so please go back and you're a doctor. Doctor, I think, is one of the greatest gifts of education anyone can have. And so maybe now 10 years back, she started practicing again. And she always says, I was so underconfident because medicine, you can't make a mistake. आप मतलब, drawing में या singing में mistake करोगे तो किसी का कुछ नहीं जाएगा. But अगर किसी के treatment में आप mistake करोगे तो बहुत बड़ा problem हो जाएगा. So now 10 years later, she is a well-known doctor in Delhi. She volunteers in blind schools, in old age homes. And it's not about the money, it's not about the reputation, it's just she feels good. She is, of all of us in the house, she is the busiest. Saturday, Sunday, she has no time for a vacation because she has to treat people. So I think whatever age you are, at whatever you may have done before, there is something that you can do. And to answer Monika's question of how, there are some very interesting platforms. Madhura's is of course a great example where you can come and join and kind of change your life altogether. Some others include, there's a platform called Alippo, ALIPPO, where women who can actually learn skills. So जिनको यहाँ पे cooking पसंद है, आप वहाँ पे जाके और advanced cooking सीख सकते हैं, and they can help you turn that into a business. So if you want to make cakes and you can make great cakes, they'll teach you how to do that. You can turn that into a business. There are platforms like WeSkill that again help women come back into the workplace after taking a maternity break or a longer break or in things like that. So ऐसे बहुत platforms हैं where you can start the second innings effectively of your life.
Thank you, Radhika. Thank you, Madhura. I just want to ask all of you how important it is for a woman to take care of their physical and mental health. क्योंकि आजकल औरतें इतनी बिजी होती है अपने फैमिलीज़ की टेक केयर करने के लिए, वो अपना खुद का कुछ देखती नहीं है. तो आपके एक्सपीरियंस में स्पेशली रूपा, शी इज़ अ कैंसर सर्वाइवर. गाइस, अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर रूपा. She has come out in the open to talk about her journey and share it with us. How important is physical and mental health? We'll start with you, Rupa.
फिजिकल हेल्थ शायद ये पहचान सभी को है कि हम सब कहते हैं कि नहीं, हमें अपना हेल्थ का ख्याल रखना चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए. लेकिन सच्ची बताइए, अपने दिल पे हाथ रख के बताइए, हम कितना उसको फॉलो कर पाते हैं. हम ये समझते हैं कि अभी तो हम यंग हैं, जब बूढ़े हो जाएंगे तब वॉकिंग कर लेंगे, तब एक्सरसाइज कर लेंगे, तब प्राणायाम कर लेंगे, तब मेडिटेशन कर लेंगे. वो सब पोस्टपोन करते रहते हैं. लेकिन जैसे हमारी दादी ने सिखाया था कि पिगी बैंक में रोज़ थोड़ा सा पैसा डालते रहो, कभी उसका बहुत बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट प्रयोजन होगा. वैसे ही रोज़ आप एक्सरसाइज कीजिए, डाइट के बारे में सोचिए, थोड़ा थोड़ा ही कीजिए, आधा घंटा ही कीजिए, बट हेल्थ, फिजिकल हेल्थ के बारे में सोचिए. और दूसरी बात है, खास करके महिलाओं के लिए, इमोशनल हेल्थ. अगर आप समझ नहीं पा रहे कि हम क्या करें, इतना सारा प्रॉब्लम सब जगह से आ रहा है, तो हम क्या करें, यानी कि आप ऑलरेडी एंजाइटी डिसऑर्डर की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं. इसके लिए इलाज क्या है? हमेशा डॉक्टर के पास इलाज नहीं होता इसका. जैसे कम्युनिटी, जो कम्युनिटीज़ होती हैं, खास करके औरतों के लिए, कभी सत्संग का कम्युनिटी हो गया, कभी जीतों का कम्युनिटी हो गया. यहाँ पे आप जाएंगे तो आप सुनेंगे कि औरों के घरों में भी छोटे छोटे प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं. तब मन को तसल्ली होती है कि चलो, सिर्फ मेरा नहीं, सभी का यही प्रॉब्लम है, तो चलेगा. तो जब वो सांत्वना मिलती है तो हेल्थ में बहुत सा ढाढ़स आ जाता है. मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ. जब मैं कैंसर का ट्रीटमेंट ले रही थी तो मुझे इतने सारे साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स हो रहे थे. बाल मेरे पूरे झड़ गए थे, मैं पूरे की पूरी गंजी हो गई थी, मेरे नाखून गिर गए थे, मेरा स्किन निकल गया था, बहुत सारा साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स हो गया. और जब मैं डॉक्टर से बोलती तो वो कहते, अच्छा आपको ये सब हो रहा है, किसी और को तो नहीं होता. तो मैं तो घबरा जाती. फिर बाद में मुझे पता चला कि सपोर्ट ग्रुप करके है, पिंक होप सपोर्ट ग्रुप, जहाँ सिर्फ कैंसर सर्वाइवर्स मिलते हैं और आपस में बात करते हैं. फिर सबने बताया कि मुझको भी ऐसा ही हुआ था. तब मुझे तसल्ली हुई, सबको हुआ था तब मुझको भी हुआ, अब मैं ठीक हो जाऊंगी. तो ये जो इमोशनल स्ट्रेंथ मिलता है वो ग्रुप से, कम्युनिटी से मिलता है. और यहाँ पे पैनल में मधुरा जी हैं. मधुरा जी के पास बहुत सारा एक्सपीरियंस है इसके बारे में, क्योंकि वो बहुत सारी महिलाओं का एक पोर्टल, एक कम्युनिटी बना रही हैं, जिससे लोगों को सिर्फ नॉलेज ही नहीं, एक मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ भी मिलता है. सो मधुरा, कैन यू प्लीज शेयर समथिंग अबाउट दैट?
You know, I will just talk about a story first, and this is about one of the communities in Aspire for Her, and it is called Not Alone. Last year, in the month of May, a brutal wave of COVID hit our country. More men than women lost their lives. And there were many women who were left behind, who were emotionally shattered and also financially completely unsure. Today, 1 year down the line, every woman who joined our Not Alone community has moved towards financial independence. There are women who felt that they should end it all. Life was not worth living anymore. They today are running their own businesses. They today are working in great organizations. They are living their lives. They are leading their children. They're taking care of their families. And truly they feel that it is that community which has helped them build that emotional resilience. And उन्होंने छोड़ नहीं दिया, उन्होंने hope नहीं छोड़ा, और उन्होंने सोचा कि हमें we want to make something of our lives. And that is what the community has given them. ये जो आपके पास जो community है जीतो, ये बड़ा ही unique है, बड़ा precious है, and we would request all of you to ensure that you use every pearl in this wonderful necklace of this wonderful community that you have at your disposal. So join us at Aspire for Her. I am giving you this special welcome to all of you to join us at Aspire for Her. हमारा और एक community है Entreprenari. I think this will suit very well to all the women in Jito, because JLW also believes a lot in entrepreneurship. This is being co-founded with me by a very beautiful young woman, not beautiful physically, but beautiful inside as well. Her name is Navya Naveli Nanda. And I was just telling Navya that I'm in this conference and I'm inviting all of the women in Jito to come and be a part of Entreprenari. And she said, I'd love to meet them. So we'd love to invite one lucky winner across for a virtual lunch with Navya Naveli Nanda. Some of you may know that Navya is the granddaughter of India's biggest superstar, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. She's a wonderful partner in Entreprenari, and we'd love to have one lucky winner who is signing up with us to be in Entreprenari to have lunch with her. So that's our pleasure to welcome everybody in Jito to do that. So thank you.
Thank you, Madhura.